Assalamu alaikum everyone, I am teacher Ahmad and today's lesson is about employee of this month for 9th grade module number 2. So let's get started. Okay guys, now open your student's book page 16. So now we are going to read this paragraph and we need to explain everything about it. Then we need to answer question number 4. So let's get started. Okay guys, now let's read the first paragraph. Employee of the month, موظف الشهر. Like millions of people around the world. Like millions of people around the world. مثل الملايين من الناس حول العالم. So here you have like, it is adjective. Khalid Mustafa works in an office. إذا خالد مصطفى يعمل في مكتب. So here we have an, it is article وهي أداة تعريف. He works with the same colleagues every day. إذا هو يعمل مع نفس الزملاء عمله كل يوم. وزملاء العمل. So here we have he refers to Khalid Mustafa. And he often, here we have with, it is preposition وهي حرف جر. And he often has meetings with people from other countries. إذن هو يقوم باجتماعات مع أناس آخرين من شركات أخرى. Everyone says the same thing about him. إذن كل شخص يقول نفس الكلام عنه. He is the ideal employee. إذن هو موظف مثالي. So here we have he refers to Khalid Mustafa, and another pronouns he and him also refers to Khalid Mustafa. Khalid is a great worker and an example to follow. إذا خالد هو موظف رائع أو موظف عظيم هو مثال لاتباعه. So here great, it is adjective and it is conjunction. He's always neatly dressed. إذا هو دائما لباسه أنيق. So neatly, and here we have the pronoun he refers to Khalid. Neatly, it is adverb, and he follows the code of workplace ethics. إذا ما هو يتبع مدونة أخلاقيات العمل. So he follows the pronoun he refers to Khalid. Explains his boss صالح موسى. إذن هو هنا يشرح رئيسه أو مديره واسمه صالح موسى. This means وهذا يعني that he behaves probably in the office. وهذا يعني أنه يقوم بسلوك صحيح في المكتب. He is very polite and respectful to those around him. إذن هو مؤدب ويحترم من حوله. So here we have his, it refers to Khalid Mustafa, and he, and here another he. These are adjective, polite and respectful. He has a positive attitude. إذن هو لديه مواقف إيجابية, and he interacts very well with his colleagues. إذن هو يتفاعل بشكل جيد مع زملائه في العمل. So that the job is done efficiently. إذن وهكذا يتم إنجاز مهمته بكفاءة أو يتم إنجاز المهمة بكفاءة. I also trust Khalid وأنا أيضا أثق بخالد. So here the pronoun I refers to صالح موسى. He would rather resign to lie. إذن هو يفضل الاستقالة عن الكذب, cheating الغش, steal السرقة, or accept a bribe أو يقبل الرشوة. Okay, so here have his refers to Khalid Mustafa, and here efficiently, it is a verb, efficiently. And here we have the pronoun I refers to Salih Musa. And he would, so here also the pronoun he refers to Cal. Okay guys, now let's move to the second paragraph. So let's read it. Cal also abides by the company's dress code. إذن وأيضا خالد يلتزم بمدونات لباس الشركة. This is another reason why he is such a good worker. Then وهذا سبب آخر لماذا أنه هو مثال للعامل الجيد. He usually dressed up in a casual business style and make sure that his clothes are always neat. إذا وهو عادة يرتدي أو يلبس لباس غير وظيفي and make sure that his clothes are always neat ودائما يتأكد أن لباسه دائما أنيق. It means I can work more comfortable. إذا هذا يعني أنني أستطيع العمل بشكل مريح, says Khalid. It also projects a professional image to my colleagues and to visiting clients. كما أنه يعرض صور احترافية للزملاء والعملاء الزائرين. So we have this company's dress. It is apostrophe for possessive. إذن هذه فاصلة الملكية لباس الشركة. And here we have he refers to Khalid Mustafa. There is another pronoun he refers to Khalid Mustafa. Dressed up, it is phrasal verb. So here we have that his clothes, his also refers to Khalid Mustafa. Comfortably, it is adverb and it means بشكل مريح. An employee who doesn't respect the company's dress code may be sent home to change or receive a verbal warning. إذن أي موظف لا يحترم مدونة لباس الشركة يمكن أنه سوف يذهب إلى البيت لتغييره أو لتغيير ملابسه أو receive أو يستقبل إنذار شفهي. So here you have an employee who. So the relative who refers to employee. But this is never a problem for Cal. ولكن هذه ليست مشكلة لخالد. I always feel happy when I'm working hard. إذا أنا أشعر بسعادة. أنا دائما أشعر بسعادة عندما أعمل بجدية. The dress code helps. إذا مدونة اللباس تساعدني to create a working environment. تساعدني لإنشاء بيئة عملية where it is simple to do that. وأنها بسيطة للقيام بهذا العمل. In short, Khalid's conduct at work is exemplary. إذن وسلوك خالد في العمل هو سلوك نموذجي. So here we have working, it is gerund. Okay guys, now let's move to the question number 4. Find these words in the text and guess their meanings. إذن أجد هذه الكلمات من النص وخمن معانيهم. Number 1, ideal. Ideal, it means مثالي. So with perfect, be. Number 2, interact. Interact, it means يتفاعل. So with be, communicate. Communicate. Number 3, efficiently. Efficiently, بكفاءة. So with a, without wasting time, money or energy. بدون إضاعة وقت أو المال أو الطاقة. Number 4, resign. Resign, الاستقالة. So with C, quiet. Quiet. Okay, so you have to do it in your book. Now let's move to the meaning part. Number 1, employee. Employee means موظف. Number 2, ideal. ideal, it means مثالي. Number 3, professional. Professional, it means محترف. Number 4, attitude. Attitude, it means موقف أو سلوك. Number 5, interact. Interact, it means تفاعل. Number 6, efficiently. Efficiently, it means بكفاءة. Number 7, resign. Resign, it means يستقيل. Number 8, comfortably. Comfortably, it means بشكل مريح. Number 8, conduct. Conduct, it means سلوك. And the last one is collegious. Collegious, it means زملاء العمل. Okay guys, so you have to write them in your notebook. Now let's move to the questions part. Question number 1. Where does Khalid work? Where does Khalid work? Number 2. What does everyone say about him? What does everyone say about him or about Khalid? Number 3. There are many good qualities about Khalid. Mention them. Number 4. How does Khalid interact with his colleagues? How does Khalid interact with his colleagues? And the last one is, how does dress code help Khalid? How does dress code help Khalid? Okay guys, so you have to write them and you have to answer them. Thank you for watching and I will see you very soon. Assalamu alaikum.